My journal junk box came in the mail. Let's take a peek inside and see what we got. Hello planner friends, my name is Sarah and I love sharing tips and tricks to help you stay optimized and organized and have fun at the same time. And what could be more fun than a subscription box? If you're not familiar with the journal junk box, it's a box that typically includes a journal and journaling elements like stickers, ephemera, pens. So you get a ton of different things each month. That's usually what I get. Sometimes you get like greeting cards as well. And then you get like a non-journaling item, which I've gotten a beautiful tote in the past, a jewelry organizer. So you get different non-journaling things, like one item. That one is always really fun for me. This box is perfect for the people that love planning, scrapbooking, journaling, because it has so many elements that you can use in any of those three hobbies. And if you want to get your own box, you can use my referral link down below and you'll get $25 off of your first order. So definitely take advantage of that. And without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing. This is the journal junk box, so beautiful. As you can see, the packaging is like very well preserved, and that's because they ship it in like a plastic bag so it doesn't get like all gross. So I really love that you can actually use this box. That's something I love about how they send the boxes to you. I apologize in advance, you're gonna hear the wind howling. It is so windy here, so you might hear that throughout the video. But let's just jump right in. I just can't wait to open this. So this is the journal junk box. I took a little peek, but I haven't seen everything that's inside. All of the orders come with this little like card that always has a quote. This one is the stillness of the woods remind me to breathe, to be, to grow. Oh, this is gorgeous. And then the theme of this month's box is Among the Trees March, which is perfect because I feel like this is a very springy theme with the ladybugs and the mushrooms. I love it so much. And then you always get like this journal junk box. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh, look at this. Like a pencil bag. This is very large. I love this. Okay, then you get some stickers. Oh, there's a ton of writing utensils. So these are gel pens, Fineliners. Oh, this one was a little ripped, but I guess it's because of the travel. Oh, and you get some journaling cards. These look really pretty. Some greeting cards. And I don't know what this is. Let me take a look real quick. This is, oh, this is so cute. It's like a little ceramic tray. Okay, that is cute. Oh my gosh, look at this journal. It is absolutely gorgeous. So we really gotta talk about this card that comes in it. You have journal prompts, and then it tells you what is in the box, and it gives you also a journaling tip. So that is really cool. It shows you how to use certain things in their box. So I'm going to show you all of the items in order of appearance. So we're going to start with the Woodland Wonders journal. So is this what it looks like? You always get a journal in the boxes. It has fake lines. It has a coil. I'm gonna be honest, this is not my favorite notebook that I've ever gotten from them. They've just had some amazing ones. The art on the cover is absolutely gorgeous, but this is a great notepad to have, like, if you need to jot things down quickly. I wouldn't use this like as much as a journaling notebook, but it's just really cute. Also, the cover is a little bit flimsy, so I wouldn't use it like something to be my main journal. I would mostly use it as a notepad, but I still really love the cover art. This one is Enchanted Hues Gel Pen Set of 5. So let's try these out. I love the gel pens. I use them every single day. So I do get excited when I get gel pens because I have them all over my house. I'm just gonna try out maybe like 2 of them. Oh, these are smooth. They're really smooth. I love it. Let's try on a second one. I'm just gonna open 2 of them. Yeah, they're all black, but they are very smooth. I would 100% use these. And they're 5-tip. So next one is Embrace the Journey journaling cards. And I love how they have quotes on everything. It's so gorgeous. You can even use all of the packaging in your journaling. I love that so much. So let's take a look. Oh, it's like, oh my gosh, you guys, this is absolutely adorable. So they're double-sided, so you can totally use the front or the back. They're one design, but this design is absolutely marvelous. And then you just rip them out like a notepad, and oh, this paper, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you know what, I can totally use this. This is my happy planner, and my March theme is like butterflies, and this just like fits the vibe so much. So I can totally, like, I don't know, clip it on and just like write something really special. I love this so much. This is like my favorite thing in the box right now, and it's like so versatile, and it tells you how you can use them. Like, you can use it as your daily writing prompt. You can decorate around them using it as a background, gratitude snippets, creative collage, daily intentions. So there's a lot of different things that you can use it for. I'm gonna leave it in here. I'm gonna write about it because this just fits the theme so well. Or maybe I could, like, this page doesn't match too much, so maybe I can cover it up a little bit and then it'll match this side. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments, but I am loving this so much. So this is the Color Slim Fineliner Gel Pen Set. I thought they were fine liners, but apparently they're gel pens. You know, I love a good brown color, so let me try that out. Is it gel or... let's see. Ooh, these are smooth. I love the brown. I use that a lot in my planning. Oh, this is a beautiful pink. Oh, these, you know, I was not expecting how much I would love these. Oh, there's a few more. Okay, so some colors are absolutely gorgeous. Like these ones. These I don't love so much. I don't even know why they always include yellow in them, but they're super cute. Oh my gosh, the wind is howling. I am so sorry. I don't typically have background noise, but we're moving on to the next one. Among the Trees sticker collection. I am always so excited about the stickers, including in the box. So I am really excited about these, especially this one looks like kind of a hobbit hole, not exactly, but oh, you know what? I've been needing like woodland and woodsy stickers, so this is perfect. I've been needing them for my junk journal. I'm just so happy. These are gorgeous. There's so many different ones. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Sweater. They're like all different. Like you get so much variety. I love these. I don't know if you can tell, but I love butterflies. So anything with butterflies just puts me over the edge. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. Perfect for a junk journaling spread. And even this, like, come on. Come on. So I showed this in my sticker collection video, but essentially what I do is I store these larger stickers in these storage boxes. So be sure to watch that. And this is great because when I get a journal junk box, and look how perfect that fits in here. These are great boxes for these. Oh my gosh. Love it. And you can see them and they're all organized. Next is the Magic Within Oversized Accessory Pouch. And this is what I was most excited to get. I love a good pouch. So fun. This is super big. Oh, I love it so much. Like, it covers all the space. And you can carry like electronics in here. This is beautiful. It's like a really nice canvas too. It's the Wildly Grateful note card set of 3. I love their note card. I've collected a few and can't wait to have more. These are beautiful. You can totally like put them in your journal or use them as thank you cards. This is perfect for thank you notes because it says Wildly Grateful. So you can start making your little stash that way. And then the last one is this Oh Dear trinket tray, which is beautiful. The little ceramic tray. I have a ton of these little paper clips that I can just put in here. That's so cute. I love it. So my final thoughts, I would say my top 3 items in this box were definitely the journaling cards. I would say this is number 1. These are just absolutely beautiful. Number 2 is the oversized pencil pouch, and number 3 are the stickers. I always love their stickers. This is essentially like the main reason why I get their box, because of the stickers. I mean, you can get a lot of these on Amazon, but they're not like this. Like, they always have a theme. The ones for the journal junk box, and you get a ton of them. You usually get 50. So this is like my main reason. These are my top 3. My least favorite item will have to be this notebook. I have a ton of notebooks, and this would not be something that I would like pick up But everything else, like these gel pens, these are very smooth. I didn't get any skipping. These are just like great to have around. Plus the colors are gorgeous. It has like a rose gold. These fine liners are really good. I don't love all the colors in them. Some colors are just like too bright, but there are colors like the brown. The brown is really great. It's something I would totally use. The black as well. Note cards. The note cards are cute. They're nice to have. This is cute too. But yeah, definitely my top 3 are these 3. I did love this box. I loved the theme. I love the elements. Let me know what you think about this box. I loved my box this month. It was just a great box. The colorway, everything about it. So let me know in the comments which one was your favorite item, and if you've ever ordered a journal junk box, let me know what your experience was like. The first one, they actually gave it to me for free, but every other one I've really purchased. I actually won a giveaway for this one, but it was because of the giveaway, not because of having a YouTube channel. But it's one of my favorite things. I am going to continue unboxing for the next few months because I signed up for a 6-month subscription, so definitely stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more planning tips and tricks and unboxing, and hit the bell for notifications so you never miss a video. Thank y'all so much for being here. I appreciate y'all so much. Watch this video next.